Hey folks, I realize it might not be as easy as I thought to download the pictures for the Ford, the assembly line Ford project. So I'm going to show you another way to get them. If you follow along with me here, you see my cursor. Let's type in the URL www.thehenryford.com. Enter. And that'll bring us to the website we want. All right, when you see it load up, look at the top and you'll see collections and research. So click on collections and research. Click here, digital resources. We're going to research databases. And as we do this, now we're going to see it load, and it's going to ask you to, we want to ask it to browse the collection. So click on browse the collection. All right, our keyword, we're going to type in here a keyword. We're going to type in here assembly line. The artifact type is a photograph, and then you're going to search. As you scroll down, you should see a lot of images starting to show up. And so you're browsing them and you want to look at them to see which one you're going to take that shows how an assembly line either makes things faster or makes the production of products less expensive. I'm going to go the Ford V8 assembly line, 1938. Click anywhere on here. And that'll load the image. And after the animation loads, you'll see this four-way arrow means to blow it up to full screen. And you'll see in the bottom right, you'll see this is a downloading icon. So click on this, bang, and you'll see a box will show up. So we're going to say, I'm going to give it a title, V8 engine. I'm going to save it somewhere. I'm going to save it to my desktop. You can see up here. All right. And then from that, you can click and drag that into your document. So then what I can do is I can switch over to the document. Scroll down here. So I can paste my picture below. And I saved it to the desktop. Here it is. I'm going to click it and drag it in, and it should drop right in there. And there's my image. Good luck.